about 4,000 tons. We carry about 4,000 tons in there, and the idea is to keep this salt barn topped off at all times. So whenever we lose even 100 tons, we go replace it right away, because we have limited storage, so we stay on top of it, because many times in the past years we had salt shortages and we had to panic and so on and so forth because nobody would have it. So we try to keep our barn topped off at all times.
Now, this being the first major storm, hopefully the only one this year,
yes,
the city's going to save money in the long run, right?
Hopefully, but we still have November, December, you know, of this year still on the same budget, so who knows what nature is going to throw at us.